So how do you change the video title in a Capcut on your iPad? Let's get started. If you are new on the Foxtecc channel, I want you to subscribe right now because I just don't want you to miss tutorials like this one. So the way you can change or edit the title in a Capcut is by, of course, having it ready inside in here. You can click on the text to add a brand new one, tap on add a text, and you can see that I now have the ability to change like the style, the way that it looks and whatever. But in order to change the actual title and the text, I tap on the edit button in the top right corner of like the text field, which makes more things appear. So you can see I can enter the text right there, so I can type in whatever I want. And you can see I can also just, as I said, change the titles and whatnot. So it is part of this little text field where you get to change the actual title text. You can also click on the expand button right here to make the text go full screen, and this is useful if you want to add like a lot of text, multiple different lines or whatever. So you might want to expand the view so everything can fit nicely into the frame. But at the end of the day, this is how you can do this. Most definitely let me know in the comments below if you managed to change the title for your like videos and Capcut. So make sure you stay tuned for more tutorials as well, and I'll see you later in the future uploads.